Problem number 20 out of Thomas's Calculus, section 5.4. So, fundamental theorem of calculus. We have the definite integral from negative root 3 to positive root 3 of the product t plus 1 times t squared plus 4 dt. And, well, at this point in calculus, you don't have any rules for a product of functions. And even when you do, you wouldn't want to use it on this. What you're going to do is you're going to expand this so that you can use the power rule for integration. So we have t times t squared is t cubed. We have t times 4 is positive 4t. We have 1 times t squared is just plus t squared, and then 1 times 4 is plus 4. Oh, that's a t right there. All these little pluses and t's kind of confuse me. I don't really care about it being in descending order at this point. I'm just going to integrate. So I have the function whose derivative is t cubed is 1 over 4 t to the 4th, or if you prefer, up by power 1 over the new power, plus the function whose derivative is 4t is 4 times t squared over 2, and that'll simplify, plus the definite integral of t squared is 1/3 t, oops, getting off the little page again, t cubed, and then finally the function whose derivative is 4 with respect to t is 4t, and now we're going to evaluate that from negative root 3 to positive root 3. I'm kind of running off the page here. Let's see if we can clean this up a little bit before we evaluate. So we have 1/4 times t to the 4th. 4 over 2 is plus 2t squared plus 1/3 t cubed plus 4t. Really didn't do too much for us. So negative root 3 to positive root 3. So we have 1/4 times root 3 to the 4th plus 2 times root 3 squared plus 1/3 root 3 to the 3rd plus 4 times, oops, getting off the page because this is a long one, 4 times root 3, and then that's going to be minus, I'll put a bracket there, 1/4 times negative root 3. It's a negative right there. I don't know if that really shows up, but anyway, to the 4th plus 2 times negative root 3 squared plus 1 over 3 times negative root 3, it's a negative, to the 3rd, and then finally plus 4 times negative root 3, oops, and that's a bracket anyway. Root 3, that's 1/4 times root 3 to the 4th, well that's root 3 squared, which is 3, and then 3 squared is 9, plus 2 times root 3 squared is just 3, plus 1/3 times root 3 to the 3rd is 3, it's like root 3 squared times root 3, so that's is 3 times root 3. We'll get some cancellations there. Let's just go ahead and do that. Anyway, plus, and then this is just 4 root 3, and then we'll keep this there for right now. So we have 1/4, negative root 3 to the 4th is the same thing as positive root 3 to the 4th, it's just 9. And then plus 2 times negative root 3 squared is just positive 3. And then we'll have plus 1/3, and then negative root 3 to the 3rd is negative 3 root 3 Put some parentheses around that. And then minus 4, negative root 3 times 4 is negative root 4 times root 3. So we have 9 over 4 plus 6 plus root 3 plus 4 over root 3 minus 9. I'm distributing that negative 1. Minus 9 over 4 minus 6. This will be negative root 3, so negative root 3 times negative 1 is positive root 3. And then negative 1 times 4 root 3 is positive 4 root 3. So we're going to get some 9 over the 4's cancel, 6 cancels, and we end up with root 3 plus 4 root 3 is 5 root 3, plus another root 3 is 6 root 3, plus 4 root 3 is 10 root 3. Ooh,